How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I love each and every one of you guys from the ADA family. You guys went crazy, with the feedback and the support on the update yesterday. Again, if you want to see daily ADA updates, what are you guys waiting for? Smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button, because trust me, guys, this goes a long way. But anyhow, enough with that rant. Let's take a look at what we're looking at with ADA right now. If you're looking across the board, we're seeing a little bit of a retracement on the 24-hour perspective. A few handful coins up still, but let's not forget, the weekly time frame is looking amazing, and even on the hourly time frame, the market is starting to pick up. But ADA is making its way back above 60 cents. Up 0.7% in Bitcoin comparative as well. Valuation $21.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is pushing up and currently sitting at about $756 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Ethereum up 5%, Cardano up 9%, jump back to 10-day highs. Both remain active in development activity. Cardano ADA is one of the most actively developed blockchains in the world. Big stuff, which a lot of people overlook. If you're looking at the price, because no, everyone is here for the price in Crypto ZX. We want to just know about the price. When is the price of ADA going to break out towards the upside? Settle down, guys. We are going to be talking about all of that. So if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance here, let's take a look at the hourly time frame, shall we? If you're looking at it on an hourly perspective for the dominance, you can clearly see how the dominance has pulled down. We came down to 65.04% just a few hours back, but we did climb up again. And of course, that is due to the fact that, Bitcoin actually is gaining a lot of traction, meaning, Bitcoin is on the verge of breaking towards a new all-time high. If you want to put this into, percentage, we are literally just about 1.9% away for us to retest a new all-time high, which again is very close. And if Bitcoin is able to close its daily candle where we are right now, this pretty much opens the door that we could actually push up to this all-time high even in the next 24 hours, which again is very exciting to say the least. But now what's happening with ADA, because ADA is holding really nicely right now. If you can see this for yourself, we came up to the 60.89 cents level. We know the significance of that dating back to obviously the previous cycle. But you could see this for yourself. As I discussed with you guys yesterday, the target that I still have on my radar, which looks more likely than ever, especially the fact that we are above this key support line at 59 cents, which we actually closed our daily candle above yesterday. The fact that we're back above that range really gives me more confidence that the price could really push up to that 65 cents mark, which again, if you want to put this into perspective in terms of a percentage, is about a 10% move from where we currently are. And then of course get it back into the 78.6, which is a very key level. If you want to put this into perspective, last time the price of ADA was back into this range was June 12th. So about 3.5 weeks back, and that was just a rejection, to be honest. Last time we were actually there for good was late May, being there for a couple of days. That was the time. So getting back in here, I'm sure makes so much sense, and why it's such an important level. What people don't realize is Cardano is a proof of stake consensus, a layer 1, as we know. And it's its own blockchain, and this is one of the projects that still fits the narratives in terms of what coins a lot of people and these big institutions are paying attention to. Utility projects, layer 1s are always popular, as we know, and it's a proof of stake consensus. Remember that. A lot of people don't realize this, but look what happened from November and all the way, obviously into December. In literally a matter of 2 weeks, we saw ADA go up 300%, going back into the 61.8. So why am I showing you guys this? When the market heats up, these projects move up very fast. And remember, this is the proof of stake consensus. A huge chunk of ADA is staked. People I know that follow my channel from day one have been actually picking up ADA when it was dirt cheap. And they've been obviously staking it and just earning staking rewards that obviously compound over time, and they've been just doing that. And there's actually some people from the last cycle that I knew were making crazy amounts of money just off of the staking rewards itself. So right now, looking amazing in terms of ADA. I'm expecting the 78.6 to be that retest at 69 cents. After we get above that, that's where the fireworks really begin, in my opinion. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Where do you see the price of ADA going? Pay very close attention to Bitcoin, where it ends up closing today, and we'll take it from there. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.